Still on the story, the reported crashed aircraft was recorded in an amateur video circulating on social media. The Indonesian Air Force page stated that the fallen aircraft are the Super Tucano tactical fighter aircraft from the Indonesian Air Force Squadron 21.
The two aircraft were said to have crashed after hitting a cliff in the north of the Tengger mountain area, Kedung village, Puspo sub-district. It is in Pasuruan Regency in East Java province. Local authorities are searching the scene for further action.
The Indonesian Air Force is currently investigating the incident, including the possibility of a soldier being a victim, as well as the cause of the crash and the incident chronology.
Ini jatuh sekitar 250 meter lokasi Watu Gedek, timurnya Desa Kedung.